And here is another video on how to stop these hackers from hacking your Facebook account, your Meta account. So there was a user that contacted me directly via Facebook asking me how to do it on PC or Mac in your browser. And it's it's easier than on mobile. So let me show you real quick. We have my Facebook account right here. This is my main page, and the messages that you receive, you'll see them on the Messages app. So you're gonna click the Messages app right here. I have a business account, so it will take me to my business Facebook, and you will see these are the same users that I show on my previous video. If you want to see my previous video where I reported this on mobile, you can see it on the description below. And right here, you're going to see that these guys are the ones that want to scam me directly. So in this case, all you have to do in the browser is just click the icon that it looks like a stop sign with an exclamation mark. It says move to spam. Just simply just click, you move to spam, and that's pretty much it. That's how you report them. In my case, since I reported them already via my mobile, that's why it says right here, right below, you are no longer able to send messages to this person because Facebook already acted and they already blocked this user from communicating with me. So there you go, guys. Pretty much that's how you do it via the browser. Hopefully this helps. Remember to like and subscribe and send this video to your loved ones and to the people that you care, so their accounts don't get hacked. I hear a lot of people just telling me, hey, my account was just hacked, or thank you, you just saved me, you know, from my account being hacked this time. And I'm glad it's helping. I'm glad these videos are very helpful to you, to your family, to your good ones. So share, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Be careful out there.